So, hello everyone. Today we are back with another beautiful session of live. So, ee roju live session lo today we'll be showing you the beautiful collections of organza. It's a pretty collections with different colors. So you can see the shades. Please do comment your favorite color in the comment section. These are the beautiful ones. And the colors, the pretty colors with rich designer. So I'll be showing you all these colors today, and I'll be showing you one by one. The bright colors and the pastels as well. One of the beautiful collections of organza with heavy designer. And we can try it as party wear even. Hello everyone, welcome to Vidaj. So ee roju live session lo beautiful lightweight organza designer collections chuseda. Very lightweight sarees today. These are the prettiest ones. And name kattukunnadi one of my most favorite color, light lemon yellow. It's a beautiful cut border, and you can even see the designs, white and grey color pattern. And this saree has got some grey color blouse with it. You can see the shiny designs, the stonework, the pretty collection. So this saree price is on request. So please do comment if you like this saree. This is the next one, light peach, and you have got some cut borders in it. So this saree has got some cut borders, very pretty, and you can see the stone and mirror work. It's an embroidery one, and akkadakada the pretty light design chudochu. One of the party wear. This is the pallu. So pallu with same design and cut-ins, and you have got a blouse. So blouse with full of work. So here's the blouse. Hands ki kuda design vastundi, and the saree price is 17,999. So the next one, this is light lemon yellow color with brown color piping, very light pastel, and you can see the borders, stonework borders. Very beautiful shade. Please do comment your favorite color in this comment section. Very pretty one. This is the pallu, and the pallu has got some classic finish in the thread work as well. And here's the blouse. So the brown color blouse with neck design. So back neck design is fully, and the saree price is 5,749. Very light pastels today, the organza collection. This is light grey color with small cut borders. You can see the work, lemon yellow with grey. The beautiful one and the lightweight saree. So this is the pallu with same finish, and the running blouse with different design in it. So many hands ki design vastundi. So So the saree price is 8,999. So here's the next one. This is orange color, the beautiful color, and you can see the pearl bead works with green color thread work and the pearl embroidery. The lightweight saree andi. Here's the pallu. Pallu also has got the same designs and the thread finish. So the blouse what you see when we same running ostundi, and the saree price is on request. The next one, the olive green, the different color. So this comes under pastel. Saree మొత్తం కూడా చాలా shiny వస్తుంది with stone works and a cross check pattern. You can see the border, colorful border with pink and orange combination thread work. It's a thread embroidery, very classy. And so this is the pallu. So pallu has also got the same designer and the pretty blouse again. So this is a contrast one, and we have got some back neck designs. So the saree price is 7,149. So here's the next one, the dark maroon with maroon color stones. You can see the color, one of the ravishing color. It's a pretty designer. It's a bit heavy andi, as it has got some stone work running all over, and the pallu also with the same design. It's a running flow, and this saree has got the ready-made blouse. So this is the blouse, front and back. So the saree price is on request. So please do comment your favorite saree collection in the comment section, and we will even let you know the price details. This is dark mustard yellow with stone work, completely stone embroidery, very pretty and bright, and you can see the designs in it. Very beautiful ravishing color. This is the pallu. Pallu with rich look, manam single ga kuda flaunt chesukochu, and this saree has got a different texture of blouse. So it has got some pretty designer in it, and the saree price is 14,999. This is another pretty shade, light sea green, very light color, and it's with full of white color stones. So white color stones ustundi, it's running all over. It's very shiny and glittery, and this is the pallu. Pallu with rich look and a classy finish, and this saree has got a blouse, such a beautiful enhancing blouse. And this saree price is on request. So please do comment your favorite color. This is magenta pink, one of the bright color combination. Saree is full of stone work, stone embroidery, and you can see the color as well, one of the bright rich looking colors, and the thin lining of border. Here's the pallu. Pallu with rich works, and this is the blouse. So beautiful blouse with back neck designs, and the saree price is 14,999. So this is one of the pastel color, light peach pink with a pretty border, the golden color border with peach work, very mild work. Only మనకి border లో designs కనిపిస్తుంది and అక్కడక్కడ patch work designs. This is the pallu with same finish, same design మనకి పల్లులో కూడా కనిపిస్తుంది, as these are the beautiful ravishing colors. So here's the blouse, మనకి hands కి designs వస్తున్నాయి, and the saree price is 14,399. గుంటూరులో మనకి ఎగ్జిబిషన్ జరుగుతుంది, ముద్దావరి ద గ్రేట్ ఇండియన్ హ్యాండ్లూమ్ ఫెస్టివల్. So today is the second day and tomorrow is the last day. So please do visit the Hotel Capital Guntur. This is light olive shade, olive green, and you can see the stone works completely. It's a white stone work, very lightweight saree. And here is the pallu. We can just flaunt it away. And you can even see the blouse. So blouse has got some rich colors and rich designs with stone work, and the price is 14,399. This is light lavender, one of the beautiful pastel. This is the rich color only, and you can see the designs in it, very beautiful. White color stone embroidery work, it's very shiny. This is the pallu, and here is the blouse, rich looking blouse with back neck designs. So the saree price is on request, so please do comment your favorite saree in the comment section. This is light sandal color, మొత్తం కూడా golden color stone work with light pink color border. Very pretty designer, you can see, and rich looking designs as well. Shimmery shade. This is the pallu. So this is how the pallu looks, very grand. And you can even see the blouse with cuttons, so we can go with semi sleeves. And the saree price is on request. You can just message or you can even comment your favorite color. This is light sea blue color with rich designs, you can see. Complete saree, you can see the designer. Very beautiful one, and with thin borders, the stone work borders, and everywhere it's a patchwork. Here's the pallu. Pallu is designer, and this is the blouse. So blouse with rich designs, hands ki designs vastundi. We can go with semi sleeves, and the saree price is on request. So this is light lemon yellow shade. Please do comment your favorite color in the comment section. Light lemon yellow with pearl bead borders, very pretty ones. It's a classy finish. Here's the pallu. Pallu is also beautiful, and this is the blouse. So blouse has got the back neck design, rich one. And the saree price is on request. So please do comment your favorite color and we will let you know the price details. This is light sky blue color, one of the classic color combination. And border kuda chudochu, the light curtains with pretty designer, very beautiful color, and you can see the texture as well. It looks like a soft net. Beautiful pallu. And here is the blouse. So blouse with back neck design, you can see. Very prettiest and a different texture. And the saree price is 18,999. So this is one of my favorite, the dark color, purple color. And saree is full of designer, you can see. The gold color shade, the gold color stonework. It's completely running at the bottom. This is the pallu. Pallu with beautiful designs. And you can even see the blouse. So blouse with back neck design, you can see. So this is how the blouse looks. Very rich and elegant. And saree price is on request. You can even visit our store, which is Ridhatri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada. This is light ice blue color, soft knit pattern. And you can see the border, pearl beads with thin curtains. It's full of pearl bead work, light embroidery. And here's the pallu, same design. And the blouse is very rich. So this is how the blouse looks. With back neck design, so you don't need to go for extra works. And the saree price is on request. This is the bright sea blue color, one of the prettiest, and it's the last one for today. And you can see the border with gold color stonework running all over. Very beautiful design. You can see the pallu. And here's the blouse. So blouse has got some curtains. You can go with semi sleeves. So the saree price is on request. So that's all for today from the collection of beautiful lightweight organza sarees. These are the prettiest ones. I hope you all loved it. And మీరు కనుక ఆర్డర్ చేయాలనుకుంటే ఈ నెంబర్కి ఆర్డర్ చేయొచ్చు. So this is the WhatsApp number. Please do take the screenshot. And మన ముక్తావరి the Great Indian Handloom Festival గుంటూరులో జరుగుతుంది. So tomorrow is the last day, so తప్పకుండా visit చేయండి the Hotel Capital Guntur. And again we'll be back tomorrow with another beautiful range of collections. Till then, bye.